everyone! In today's video, I will be doing a review of the terrace 1-bedroom fountain view at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, Nevada. We stayed in room 2295 and I will take you on a little tour. So as you look around at the decor and focusing on here, you can definitely see there is a certain vibe going, and Rose will also text you at the beginning of your stay little tidbits of information. So you'll learn more about her when you stay, but there is a lot of info that they will provide and you can ask it questions as well. And over in this area, you have a very comfy little couch. That's where we usually sat to eat when we did room service. And they have a nice little area over here with a full bar set up, a little mini bar area here with all sorts of little goodies. They also have all these little snacks here and a couple little extras too that you will find out about if you stay there. And then here is the iPad too, where you can do all sorts of things. You can change the lights, you can even order room service. They have all sorts of things you can do here. So as most of the hotels are providing right now, they have these face masks and hand sanitizer, and they have a little stylus pen, which actually at first I really didn't know what it was for, other than I knew it would be for the iPad in there. But you can use it to touch elevator doors, and you can use it to press buttons, all sorts of things. So it's kind of a cool thing that they add in there. I hadn't seen it any of our other stays yet. And we stayed 4 days total, and they actually brought another one to the next day, which was kind of nice. And in here is just your typical little setup, you know, all the little cocktail making supplies that you may need, waters, sodas, little snacks in here. So just about basically everything that you see at most hotels. And in here you got your own little mini fridge, which was so nice, and a little freezer section. We did have a lot of things that we stored in there since we did make a trip to the store. So I always appreciate when they have that in there as well. This little hiding drawer here was so nice to have. We did store a lot of our little snacks and waters and things like that in there as well. And it's so nice to be able to put it away instead of having it out and visible. So here, of course, is the closet, which was nice and spacious, a bench which you can sit on, put on jewelry, put on your shoes, whichever, and a couple little full-length mirrors here which stretch out. Very nice to have. One of the features that I do love about this closet is as soon as you open the doors, the light switch turns on, so it makes it so much easier to see things. You're not trying to find a light switch or just having it dark in there. I love that they have that. So here, of course, is your bathroom. They have amazing lighting here, by the way. I love their lighting. I feel like everybody always looks good in that. And of course, here's your standard amenities as well. And also they have a lot of drawer space here down below, which was so nice to be able to store your makeup and hair accessories and things like that. And we're heading into the toilet area here, and that silhouette you see on the wall of the side of a woman's face, I honestly, when we were there, thought it was a stain until this video, so good to know. But also through here too, you can see the shower is right here. This is our favorite part of this room, and why we always book this room versus others is because it's so awesome. You have this great glass here, and you walk from the shower to your tub, and in your tub and in your shower you have that gorgeous view of the strip. That is absolutely our favorite thing about this room, and why we chose this resort in general was because of this. So it is so beautiful. We absolutely love it. So you can see here as you step into this Japanese soaking tub here, to your left you have an open area which leads you to the bed if you wanted to climb out that way. I think it's awesome to have. It's more of an intimate setting. It's great for couples. I think it's nice to have just this little area. So my husband would sometimes be watching TV. I would be in the tub and just looking out at the view, and we can still talk and be connected and everything. I think it's wonderful. In addition to the iPad, you have this little set of buttons here, and if you hit the relax, it just simply dims the room so it's not so bright, but you can still see in there. And then same thing with all off and just the bathroom. It's easy to control. And as in most nice resorts, hotels, they have the little reading light, which makes it easy if you have any kind of paper things that you need to be able to read. And what do you know, some more buttons to be able to control other lights in the bedroom. So I love that in perfect timing here as I was recording this and decided to go out on the balcony. The Bellagio fountain show was starting, so I was happy I got this on video right as I was walking out. As you can tell, this is a very spacious balcony. It's nice to have a little bit of room to spread out. So they have this couch right here, a little table, and then they have a little chair on the other side as well. Another nice thing here is they have this door to be able to separate the bedroom from the living area. Great for if you ordered room service and someone's still sleeping, or if you need to get dressed, or if you are staying with other people that you're not necessarily going to get undressed in front of. It is really nice to have that little separation. Maybe you want to have your kids in the other room and you're in this room. I think it's a nice option. So this again, guys, is what makes this room so special, in my opinion, is the fact that you can go from the shower to the tub and be sitting in the tub and be able to see right outside. Plus, of course, the balcony, since most of the places on the Strip do not have a balcony. I think that is what makes this room so special and unique, and is so far my favorite room in Vegas. So many spots in Vegas, you can get beautiful, luxurious rooms, but it's hard to have a room like this, and this one so far is my favorite. And that that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and please like the video. Comment with any questions you have or anything you'd like to share. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you soon.